in order to fill it again.
Guys, nagpapalaban siya, guys. Masyado mahina, guys. Yan, nagpapalaban. Mahina.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the weakness.
Okay, lagi. So many poninos, so tita,
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Talo ka lang eh.
Knowing is not enough. We must cross.
Tip-tap yan. Tap-tip-tap yan.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Then, di ka pa marunong? Ha? Di ka pa marunong? Di ka pa marunong? Di ka talaga marunong. Guys, lugi siya, guys.
Your team
Guys, lugi talaga siya, guys. Guys, oh, lugi siya. Guys, nagpapaawa siya, guys. Ang sabi mo? Wala akong pake. Yun! Talo! Ulit. Isa pa. Bye-bye, guys. Ayaw, gusto niya pa daw, guys. Pero di ko papagbigyan to, guys. Ayaw ko, guys. Bye-bye!